Come on. Let's go.
Well, I'm a big dog daddy, you know my face, and the joint starts rocking when I walk in the place. Band starts thumping those rhythm guitars, and the dance floor's jumping to the back of the bar. Everybody looks better in the neon light when the plan comes together on a Saturday night. Yeah, the parking lot's packed, and that's a pretty good sign. I take it right in the back, I don't stand in line. The boys all looking and are hitting the spots, and the girl starts shaking everything that they got. When a little cat mama gets ready to ride, I got a Lincoln Continental waiting right outside. I'm a big dog daddy,
Big dog daddy.
hey big dog daddy.
Big dog daddy.
Boys stand back and the girls are getting catty. Something going down with the big dog daddy. You gotta stay out late if you're making the rounds, 'cause there's a lot of good joints on the way downtown. I got some good buddies that can rock all night. They ain't looking for trouble, but they know how to fight. If your girl starts acting like she's one of a kind, you grab her next one standing at the head of the line. Big dog daddy,
Big dog daddy.
just big dog daddy.
Big dog daddy.
Got 'em all screaming from here to Cincinnati. It's hard to compete with the big dog daddy.
Get it, Daddy. Get it, Daddy.
Big dog daddy,
Big dog daddy.
just big dog daddy.
Big dog daddy.
Boys stand back and the girls are getting catty. Something going down with the big dog daddy.
Big dog daddy.
Just big dog daddy. Boys stand back and the girls are getting catty. Something going down with the big dog daddy. Got 'em all screaming from here to Cincinnati.